Hi guys, I'm Andrew Simon with Salford. I'm the territory manager in the state of Minnesota. I'm here today to talk to you about the hydraulic switchblade shank kit that we offer on our 21, 22, 41, 4200 machines. It can be set any way you'd like, a 15-inch, 30-inch shank. We offer two different shanks. We offer a chisel plow shank. It's a front mount to put the knife on. And then we also offer the anhydrous side mount shank. It's a pretty cool design. They're hydraulic lift up, lift down. If you get the 15-inch shank, there's a hydraulic valve on the machine we can switch. And then it will lower every other one down, so you can have a 30-inch option as well on that. We have a hydraulic bladder in the shank itself that we're running the remote and constant on the tractor, so we have constant hydraulic pressure to it. So if we would hit a rock or an obstacle in the field that it's got to go up and over, it'll allow that one to trip while the other ones next to it stay down and keep going. As soon as it goes up and over, it'll go right back down into the ground. So it's a really cool option. We have a 1,300 pound trip pressure shank set on it, so we can handle quite a bit hard ground. This is our anhydrous side mount shank or fertilizer side shank with a side mount. If it's a chisel plow shank, our knife will actually get mounted up on the front, just like any other chisel plow ripper out there. It'll be mounted up there. We have 3 different bolt settings here, so we can be as minimal as 3 inches deep up to 6 inches deep is where we're going to run, depending what hole we're in there. This can be adjusted. We can pull this pin out here and there and lift the shank up into these 3 different holes. You can put fertilizer down with it, you can put anhydrous down with it, you can just use it as a good old chisel plow. And then it's also on the same machine that we're doing vertical tillage with, so it's a neat option we offer.